This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and cable seating. This saves time. Once done, check the external display input and restart the Mac from the Apple menu, watching for flicker or a blank screen. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode to load minimal drivers or reset nvram/pram using the specific key combo at startup. These steps isolate software from hardware causes, so you know whether to proceed to deeper checks or prepare for cable and adapter troubleshooting next. Next, swap cables and adapters immediately to rule out simple failures. Use a known good Thunderbolt or HDMI cable and a compatible adapter. Then open System Settings, go to Displays, and change resolution and refresh rate to see if the image returns. This helps when scaling or rate mismatches cause blank screens. Also, test with a second monitor or connect your Mac to another display. If the other screen works, the GPU or Mac settings are likely fine, pointing to the original display or cable as the culprit. Finally, update Mac OS and firmware. Updates often fix driver or compatibility bugs, then reboot and recheck the display. If problems remain, run Apple Diagnostics to surface hardware errors and inspect ports for debris or damage. Make a safe backup before deeper repairs, document symptoms, error messages, and what you tested. If the issue persists after these steps, contact Apple support or a certified repair shop. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a photo or short video of the issue to show technicians, which speeds diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.